Today I created this golden neutral look using the Yes Please palette from Colourpop. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So first of all, I went into the shade Note to Self, which is a light brown, and I took it on a fluffy brush and I put it in my crease to serve as a transition color, and I also put it in the outer corner of my eye to prepare it for a darker color later on. Then I just took that same brush and I went into the shade French Kiss, which is a deep chocolatey brown, and I put that on the outer corner of my eye to deepen up the area. Now the shade that's gonna go all over my lid is this beautiful gold shade called Buttercake. It's a metallic and I just put it on my finger and I put it all over the lid where I didn't have the dark brown color, so basically the 2/3 of my eyelid area. Then I went in with the shade Chauffeur and I put that in the middle of the gold and the dark brown to sort of serve as a transition between the dark color and the lighter color. Then I took a clean brush and I went over all the edges to blend it out. Then I went back into French Kiss one more time and I deepened out the area and blended the orange shade into the brown. Then I went in with a brown pencil eyeliner and I lined my lash line. On my bottom lash line I have Note to Self all over, and then with a small pencil brush I went in with the darker shade French Kiss and I put it on the outer third of the lower lash line. And then I just went in with a couple of coats of mascara. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to be going into this Becca highlighter in the shade Vanilla Quartz. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.